In this lesson, we are going to be looking at the French articles. In English, articles refer to these three words: a, an, and the, as in a boy, an orange, the bar. In French, articles give an idea whether a noun is singular or plural, masculine or feminine. This is because an article has to agree with the noun it precedes, both in gender and number. There are three types of articles in French, namely the definite, indefinite, and partitive articles. In this lesson, we will discuss the definite article and do the other two in later lessons. The definite article is the. It is used when something is being specifically referred to. For example, when you say, "the men are here," you are being specific or definite. It is different from saying "men are here," in which case you are not being specific. In French, the has four forms: le, la, le, and les. Le is the masculine singular form, which means the noun that it precedes must be masculine. For example, pen, bed, courage, sun, market, and book are all masculine nouns in French. So we have the pen, le stylo, the bed, le lit, the courage, le courage, the sun, le soleil, the market, le marché, the book, le livre. La is the feminine singular form, meaning it precedes singular feminine nouns. For example, car, house, sadness are all feminine nouns, so we have the car, la voiture, the house, la maison, the sadness, la tristesse. Le is the feminine or masculine singular form if the following noun starts with a vowel or mute age. This means that it doesn't matter if a noun is masculine or feminine, as long as it begins with a vowel or mute age, it has to take le. Examples: the school, l'école, the winter, l'hiver, the child, l'enfant. Les is the plural form for both masculine and feminine, and so the noun it precedes must be plural. Examples: the men, les hommes, the oranges, les oranges, the boys, les garçons. Also, countries are used with the definite article. In French, some countries are feminine, some masculine, and some plural. Examples: France, la France, Ghana, le Ghana, the United States, les États-Unis. That's it for the definite article. If you'd like to take the exercise on this lesson, the link has been pinned on our Facebook page. Please do subscribe so we will be able to post exercise links in the description. See you later. À plus tard.